Hello children, how are you all? Good? Very good. In our last classes, we were studying about agricultural practices, right? So in the last class, we studied about the first agricultural practice, that is preparation of soil. So we have prepared the soil. Now we have to move on to our next step, that is sowing the seeds. What do you mean by sowing the seeds? Sowing the seeds, it is the process of placing the seeds in the soil in order to germinate and grow, right? So placing the seed in the soil so that it germinate and grow into a plant, this process is called as sowing. Clear? I took the term germinate. What do you mean by germinate? Germinate is a process in which a plant grows from a seed, right? Sowing and germination, both are clear to you. So what is sowing? Tell me. It is the process of placing the seed inside the soil so that it germinate and grow into a plant, right? Now, so germination clear, sowing the seeds clear. It's also not that easy task, right? So before sowing the seed, what should be taken care of? What should be in our mind? If we are farmers, right now we are farmer because we are studying about the agricultural practices, it means we are farmers. We have prepared the soil. What was the preparation of soil? Turning and loosening the soil, right? Clear? And adding manure to it. That was first step of ours. Now we are sowing the seeds. So we have to take it into account that our seed is healthy. If the seed is not healthy, then the crop will not be good. So as a farmer, we have to keep it in our mind that our seed should be healthy. Okay, one thing regarding this. Have you ever noticed your mom placing some grains in a vessel and pouring some water inside the vessel? What happens? Some of the grains, or if she has taken seeds, some of the seeds, they start floating on water. Why are they floating on water? Other seeds, they have settled down, but few seeds you can notice that they are floating on water. Why? What is floating and sinking? Substance floats when it is lighter than water and substance sinks when it is heavier than water, right? Am I right or wrong, right? Okay, so some of the seeds are floating on water, maximum seeds have settled down. Have you noticed? If you have not noticed, so this time you are going to notice that, because whenever your mama cooks food, first of all she washes them, right? So you will notice that, okay? So tell me why some seeds are floating. Some seeds are floating because they are damaged seeds. They are hollow from inside. When they are hollow from inside, obviously they will be very light. So they are lighter than water. That's why they are floating on water. Clear? This is the best way to find out which seed is healthy and which seed is not. So in this manner, you can find out healthy seed, because healthy seed is required for higher yielding crop. Is that clear? Okay, so we have taken healthy seed, okay, and the fertile soil. First one was preparation of soil, so fertile soil is there. We have taken healthy seed also. Now when you are taking healthy seed, fertile soil, and but you are not placing it at appropriate place, you are not sowing it properly, then everything is futile. Why the proper placement is necessary? Because let's suppose I'm giving an example. There are so many plants grown at one place. It means it is called as overcrowding of plants. What will happen? They will fight with each other. How will they fight with each other? I have shown you in my previous video how roots, they spread, their root hairs and roots, they spread inside the soil in order to take water and minerals from the soil, right? And leaves, they also spread in all the directions in order to absorb sunlight and take carbon dioxide. So if there is overcrowding of plants at one place only, so they will fight with each other. What happens when two people fight? The stronger one wins, right? So one will get enough amount of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, everything, and the other one will be deprived of these things. So one plant is healthy and another one is not. So farmer will be at loss, right? So it is all futile. Taking healthy seed, using fertile soil, everything is in vain if you are not placing, if you are not sowing the seeds at appropriate place and appropriate depth also. Why appropriate depth? Place I have told you, because if you're not going to place it at proper place, then what will happen? They are going to fight with each other. One will get enough amount of sunlight and everything whatever is required for the process of photosynthesis, for the process of respiration in order to grow, everything, germination and all the for all the processes, one will get everything and one will be deprived, right? So 50% of crop is healthy and 50% is not healthy, it's the damaged ones, right? So second I took at proper depth. Why proper depth is required? Proper depth is required just because if they are on the top of soil, then birds will eat that, right? So in order to prevent them from being eaten by birds, we have to place the soil seeds at right depth also. Clear? So what is sowing? Clear to you? How we do sowing and what should we keep in our mind when we are sowing the seed? Clear to you? So children, now next PPT I'll be sharing with you for the agricultural implements used for sowing. Generally we are using a seed drill for this purpose, and traditional method was they were using funnel. So I'll explain you via PPT. Okay, till then you have to recapitulate what is preparation of soil and what is sowing of seeds. Okay, bye.